Hello friends, welcome again today. Summer, welcome. Today we are going to draw a bird that is flying in the air.
Yeah.
Are you ready to draw?
Yeah, do you know
awesome.
the song? Do you know the song? Icky, sticky, 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 bubble gum, bubble gum.
Is that a bird? Does bird sing that one?
Icky, sticky, 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 bubble gum. It sticks to your head.
Summer, you watch a lot of Miss Rachel's videos. Alright, that's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's draw what we are going to do. Let's draw a V like this.
A V or
a V shape like this.
I'm not drawing a letter, are we?
Yeah, awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do next from here, just make a straight line like this.
No, you're doing it on the hand. It's not good.
Go ahead. I made a straight line. Yours is curvy, but it's okay. Then make a curve for the head of the bird.
The head of the bird.
Make the mouth like this.
The mouth.
Awesome. Make it like this. Make the head round. It's okay. And then from here, let's make the body to come like this. Just make it like this. Curve it down. Big. Yeah. Awesome.
I think a bird is easy.
Yeah, it's so easy peasy. Okay, so from here, okay, go ahead and make this line like this. Come on like that. Just a straight line. Okay, then let's make it wavy, 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 wavy. Okay, you have to make it and come inside, not away.
I'm doing it inside.
It's going away. Like this. Draw this other one straight line off like this. On this other V, this other side of the V. The top from the top. Draw it off like this. And then wavy and come inside. See where that is taking it. See where I took it in. Okay, that's the wing of the bird. Okay, so that from here we can make the tail to come out like this.
We're almost done.
The tail. You see yours, wait a second, yours went out too far. It means you have to draw this to come almost to this point. Awesome, it's okay. Alright, so what we're going to do, draw the top now from here. See how daddy did it? Just draw a line like that coming out. Awesome. Then from here, make another shape as if it's a V like this. Awesome. And then make it wavy, 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 wavy to join each other.
My own is far.
Yeah, it's okay. Your one is so wide. Awesome. Okay.
Only one
So
color.
so let's give the bird a big eye.
No, you can only put a tiny eye, not
Make it
big.
big. Awesome. Okay, so let's draw off this to go inside like this. Can you draw it off to go inside?
I thought we're done.
We're almost done.
I'm done with
Do that for this one also. Leave it inside. Yeah. And this one as well. Make this one the tail feathers to come in a bit as well. Okay. All right. So let's leave the eye for now. Let's assume the bird is having some sticks in the mouth. Just draw off some lines like this.
But why do we have sticks in his mouth?
Yeah, he wants to go and make her nest where he will lay eggs.
But where is her baby eggs?
Yeah,
There's nowhere.
he will lay the egg first. Just draw the line. Draw the line first. From the mouth, just make some lines. See how that they draw off some lines. And come on. Yeah, you can branch off the stick like this.
Blah, blah,
Yeah,
No.
it's okay. So the bird is going to make a nest. It's flying in the air.
And are we gonna put any baby tins?
No, we are not drawing the baby. We're just drawing the bird. Okay.
And pink.
So let's color it pink
Yeah.
for the bird.
Yeah.
Okay. So where are we coloring pink? Go ahead then.
Here.
But don't color the head. Do it like this. Leave the head and color here.
Daddy, I'm gonna trace my own.
But leave the feather. The feather, we can give the feather different colors.
Leave this one.
Yes, the feather.
Oh,
Keep coloring.
but how are we gonna leave the fur if we can't color it?
We're going to color it different color. That's what I said.
I thought we're gonna color it pink.
See where you stop. See how that is stopped.
Oh, you have the line here.
Yeah, stop there. That place is the feather. This is the body. Just color the body alone.
Not the feather. Oopsie. So I can color it a different one.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that one. I colored
Okay.
close here too.
No. See where you close. This is the body. This is where you close.
Ah.
Go ahead and color here. Color here. Leave the outside. Color here.
Oh, no, Daddy. If I win, you win. If Daddy, if
I'm waiting for you. I'm done with this.
no,
I want to color.
both of us win. Because I changed the rules.
It's okay. Just be fast. That's what I'm saying. Just be fast.
Because I changed the rules, Daddy.
You always change the rules when you know I want to win. Okay.
Changed the rules.
All right. So which other color do we use now?
Oh,
Purple. Okay. So we use purple.
to color the wings.
Want us to color all of them? Purple.
Yes?
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm tracing my own.
Yeah, go ahead and trace it.
Yeah, because you don't want any black to touch it, do you?
No. Then this other one, I'm coloring the second wing.
But if both of us win, we win.
The second wing, almost done. I'm almost done.
But if we
Are
win,
you done too?
if we win, we win.
Yeah.
If both of us win, we win. I change the rules. Okay, Daddy, I change the
Be
rules.
careful so you don't color outside of the
Yeah, I
wings.
know I changed the rules.
It's okay, let's color another. Let's give the tail a different color.
Okay, I'm gonna give it yellow.
Yellow's fine.
But maybe orange.
You said yellow. What's yellow? Is that your yellow? No? This one. It's not the same.
Funny.
See it here.
Oh, it's hot that one. Does it?
Okay. This is so fine. This bird is birds of different colors.
Yeah, but only 3 colors on it.
3 colors. Awesome.
Only 3, no more. That's the only color. But I think I'm going to put the same color on the head.
On the head, want us to give it the same color on the head?
Yeah,
Okay. So go ahead.
but I will give it a different color.
What are you saying? Do you want it the same color or different color?
Different color. And maybe green
Is it green? Okay.
for the head.
For the head, leave the eyes. We're going to give the eyes
Black.
a different color. Yeah.
I think I want it to be red.
Okay, let's give the blue color. This blue. This one. But we're not going to color everything. Just put a drop.
Only a drop.
Just a dot here in the eyes.
Just like this?
Yeah, that's fine. This is so awesome. Wow, someone have been able to draw a flying bird.
Yeah, I thought I did not be good.
Yeah, it's so fine. Friends, I hope you're able to also draw along with us and also color along with us. Somebody, do you love your color and your coloring and your drawing?
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. All right, so what do you say to your friends? Do you love your friends?
Yes.
You love your friends?
Yeah.
Okay, and friends, please join us another day in our video. And if you have not subscribed to our video, please do subscribe to our channel, and see you in another video. Bye.
Bye.